Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set reminders in Microsoft Outlook. Now for this demonstration I'm going to be using the web version of Outlook, so this is outlook.live.com. Now from here I'm going to sign into my account. As you can see, I'm signed in. Now basically we want to go ahead and head on over to calendar, so click on the calendar tab on the left hand side. Now just go ahead and put your reminder in what time and what day. So say if I want to put a reminder on the 25th of Thursday at say 11 PM, I'm going to click on the box down here, and then the box is going to appear. So from here we can go ahead and add a title. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to put in movies. Now we can set when, now this is going to be the date because we're in the 25th of 9, and then we can choose how long we want this reminder to be set for. So I'm just going to leave it for half hour, so 0.5 hours. You can change this to make this a day event, so it's going to be a day. So if I drop down 11:30, and also we can go ahead and click on all day reminder. Now, if I'm going to do an all-day reminder, I can got the option to repeat, so I can repeat this reminder daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. Also, we can set a reminder before the event, so it's automatically set a day before at 5 PM, but I can change this to do a day before at 9 PM, day of event, at time of event, 1 week before 9 AM. So if I want to do, say, 1 week before 9 AM, we can add a location, also add a description here. Now, if we click on the more options, we can go in a little bit more in depth. So we got, so under event, we can go ahead and, if it is an event, respond options. We've also got free, working elsewhere. But because this is just a reminder, I'm going to keep this very basic. So yeah, I've got an all day reminder. I'm going to change this from recurring to, so if you want this for recurring, you can click on recurring and make that recur if you like. Now 2 days prior. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on to save. And then from here, it should say event created down below or on the top right hand corner. Now, if we click into it, you can view your reminder, and you can make changes if you like. You can delete it. You can duplicate this reminder if you want. We can also categorize it. So we've got different categories. We can make this private or non-private. And also we can send this to OneNote if you like as well.